Hi everyone, welcome back to Rame Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account in just a few easy steps. Whether you need it for online shopping or to send money to friends and family, I've got you covered. Let's get started. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process from visiting the PayPal website to verifying your email. If you're new to PayPal or want a refresher, follow along. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to www.paypal.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the home page with options to log in or sign up. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page where you can choose between a personal or business account. Step 3. Choose the account type that fits your needs. For most users, a personal account is perfect for sending money and making purchases online. If you're running a business, select the business account option. Step 4. Enter your email address and create verification. Step 5. Fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and phone number. This information is necessary to complete your account setup and ensure your account's security. Step 6. Read through PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy. Once you're comfortable, check the box to agree to the terms and click Agree and create account or a similar button to move forward. Fully utilize your PayPal account, you can link your bank account or credit card. This step isn't required to use basic features, but it makes sending and receiving money easier. Follow the prompts to securely add your payment method. And that's it. You've now created your very own PayPal account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more step-by-step guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.